JapanNext has announced a new 31.5-inch 6K monitor. The company may not be widely known in Western markets, but this model brings strong specifications aimed at creative professionals and productivity users. The monitor uses an IPS panel with a 6016x3384 resolution, resulting in pixel density just under 220 ppi. It supports 1.07 billion colors, 100% sRGB coverage, and 96% DCI-P3 color gamut. Brightness is rated at 500 nits with a 1500:1 contrast ratio. Viewing angles are listed at 178 degrees horizontally and vertically. The display uses ELED backlighting, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and a 0.1159 mm pixel pitch. Refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz with an 8 milliseconds response time, which makes the monitor better suited for office work, design, video editing, and content creation rather than gaming. HDR support is included to improve brightness and color range, though IPS limitations mean it cannot deliver OLED level contrast. Connectivity options include two HDMI 2.1 ports, DisplayPort 1.4, and a USB-C 3.1 port with 90W power delivery for single-cable laptop use. All ports support the full 6K resolution at 60 Hz. The monitor also includes KVM functionality, allowing users to control multiple computers using one keyboard and mouse. JapanNext has added multitasking features such as picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture modes. These allow two input sources to be displayed simultaneously while maintaining native resolution and image quality.